Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Alex Builds. I hope you had a good weekend. It's Monday and we're going to be doing issue 95 of Hashtag Partworks Build the Terminator. Okay, so this one there is quite a bit to do in this one, so let me show you what we get, and we're also going to need to bring back some parts from a previous issue as well. So these are the parts we get. As you can see in there, that we can make it all out, we get this long piston rod part, we get parts for the foot, and we also get parts for the knee in there. We're also going to need to bring back parts we've had from previous issues. So we're going to need the foot, we're going to need these two parts which connect at the knee, and we're also going to need this little black ratchet part that we've had for about nearly 8 or 9 issues now. We've had this, so yeah, we're going to need that as well. So let's get into it. Flicking through, what we're going to do is we're going to take this little black ratchet part, we're going to add that to the knee with the other part that's supplied in here as well. So we're going to attach them on, glue that on, and then we're going to take that long piston rod part, screw that in. Then this part can get attached to the bottom with 3 screws. Then as we move over here, we can slide this part into the actual leg, making sure this piston part goes up, attach the side pieces just like that and that. When we flip it over, we can get our Allen key, this one here that was supplied way back. We can put an Allen key screw in there and secure that down, and that's the knee attached. So I will do that in this issue just to show how it's done, but I will be removing that after this issue so I can till the whole of the bottom half of the leg's complete, and then I'll attach it just so it's easier to work on while we do it, so I don't have to bring the whole model down every single time. Then we're going to do the foot, so we're going to get this part of the foot, and we're going to attach this joint here, and that's just going to get screwed into there. It's like a ball joint that's going to get attached to the top of the foot, and then we just clip this part on top. It's a push fit connection. Give that a good push and that'll be on there. So we should have this part left over as a foot, and our knee attached to the Terminator at the end of this issue. And if we flip to the back, as you can see, we continue assembling the left leg and foot. We get some details to go on. So these are the parts for the actual toes, the tendons for the toes. We get an actual toe part, and we get like the kneecap as well. So as you can see, there's quite a few steps to do in this one. So yeah, this is last week's issue, so we'll have issue 96 this week. So with this issue, that does mean that we've only got 25 issues left, because there's 120 issues of this build. So yeah, not many to go at all. So without further ado, let's get these parts open and start building. So we've got all the parts out of the packaging, as you can see. Get some parts on a sprue here, we're going to need to cut them off later. We also don't need these parts just yet. So we're going to start off with these two parts here. So as you can see, we've got like a cutout here with the knee. So we're going to start with the opposite side, this side here. Take the ratchet joint part supplied in this issue, and we can just apply some glue on these 4 points here. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then we can just quite simply just fit that in there, turning it around till it drops in. Should feel it drop in. There we go, that one's that in there, just like so. Now we're going to bring back the part we had way back in, I think it was issue 86 we had this. And yeah, so you're going to need to bring that back. Hope you've looked after it. But yeah, I thought we would have used this by now because we've had some more of these. So we're just going to do exactly the same with this one. Some glue on top. Oh, a bit too much on there. And then we can take that part, and this is just going in here. So you spin this round until that drops in as well. There we go. Nice and secure. And now we've got a ratchet joint part on each side. So now we are going to need to bring in this part here. As you can see, we're going to need another ratchet part to go on there. That's going to come in a future issue. But yeah, so this is just going to go. We've got the 3 points to go on here. We've got a little notch at the front here, and a notch cut out just at the front here. So that little notch is just going to line up with there. We can push that in, and that gives us 3 screw holes around here to screw in some screws. And they are the 3 by 6mm screws. So let's take some of them. You need 3 of these. These are the smallest screws that are supplied. So let's take these and we'll screw these in. That's the first one. 2 more to go. And the last screw just in the last hole just here. And there we are, that is that on there. Now I did miss a step on here, which is the to put this part on. The book tells us to put this part on as well, but yeah, it doesn't really matter which way you do it round, because it doesn't really matter, it's not conflicting with each other. So we'll get this on here. I'm going to drop my screw into there. It's just going to line up onto here. I can screw that down. That's going to attach that to this part here then. Pick that up now. There we are. The screw's nice and tight in there, but we've got lots of movability on there as well. So now what we can do is we can bring down the Terminator and we can fit this to the Terminator. Okay, so we've got our Terminator in, and yeah, this is the one we're going to be working on just here. So we can sort of move this one out of the way. So as you can see, we've got this piston part on the back here. Remember when we did that? We've got the same on the back here now. So making sure we can slide that into there. Then we can just lower this down into the knee joint, slide that along until we see the center of the ratchet point in one of these points here. Then we can take this part here and we can slide that into the side. I know the angles are not the best for you to see this, but it only fits in one way, you can't really go wrong. And then we take this part, and as you'll feel when you're putting this in, it'll only go in one way. When you're turning it, it should drop in when you've got that lined up. Okay, so that's sitting in there flush right now. It didn't want to go in, but yeah, it got it in the end. So now we're going to need one of these Allen key screws that's supplied in here. You do get one spare. So let's open that up. Take our Allen key. This is just going to go just in this hole just here, and it's going to screw these two parts together. Remember, the tighter you do it, the less movability you'll have in the actual knee point itself. So let's screw this down. And there we are. That is the knee attached onto there. So with the knee now attached, we can start working on the parts for the foot. So what we're going to need for this is this part here and this part here. So I'm going to cut these two parts off of this sprue to start off with. So make sure you get yourself a set of sprue cutters and cut these off. Just like so. So now we can get rid of that, we don't need that anymore. So now taking one of these tiny little washers, I don't know if you can make that out, a tiny little washer and one of the smaller screws. Slide that over the screw, and then we'll take this part here. This is just going to get fitted onto here, so we can slide that in there. As you can see, that connects onto there, and when we turn this over, we can put our screw with our washer on down this hole here. So let's get this in here. Screw that all the way down, just like so, and that's that on there. So the final step to do is take this part here, and this is just going to clip over here. So you keep pushing until you hear the click, just like so. And yeah, with that, that is this issue complete. And coming up next time, as you can see here, we get the kneecap parts and parts for the foot as well. I have already taken the knee part back off, and that is so I can work on it until we've got to this stage. This is the right leg. When we've got all of this built up, I can then reattach both of the legs to the Terminator. So that is it, guys. Issue 95 all complete. And yeah, make sure you join me again for issue 96, which will be out later on in the week. We'll also have some more Build the DeLorean as well. So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.